Hi everybody, Chuck Link here from Link Outdoor Lighting Distributors, and I'm in the lighting lab today with one of our little white paper reports to talk about electricity and the properties of electricity. Now, to make this as short as we can, I put on the board back here, electricity, volts is pressure. So think about water pressure, and volts in electricity is the same as pressure in water. And then amps, when you hear the term amps, amps is the volume of flow. And of course, you hear the term watts all the time, including kilowatt hours like your electric bill. And that is a measure of consumption or demand. But when you get your electric bill at the end of the month, that's the watts, the total watts or kilowatt hours that you've used, watts times hours. So, what we want to talk about today is wire size and how guys pick wire and voltage drop and transformers and using multi-tap transformers. There's kind of an unlimited number of wire sizes. There's number 8. We sell a lot of number 10 here. Number 10 is pretty common. Number 12 is probably the most. You can't really see the difference in these two, but there's quite a bit of difference in the amount of amps that these two wires can flow. Pressure, not a problem, but amps. Number 10 can flow a lot more amps than number 12, and going down to number 16 and even number 18. So the key is for installing low voltage landscape lighting systems is to know the demand, know the wattage that you're going to be trying to supply electricity to, wattage demand, remember that, and then knowing your pressure. Now most transformers today are multi-tap transformers, which means they can deliver 12, 13, 14, and even up to 22 volts. So you have pressure capability. Now the only thing left to decide is what size your pipe or your wire is going to be. Now Eric has included a really nifty little software in this video that you can download the link on your own computer, and you can do your own calculations. And with this, you'll plug in the wattage, the demand, by the number of fixtures. You'll plug in the distances that you're going to run, the tap size on the transformer, and then the wire size. So you can quickly tell on each run of lights, and most everybody's daisy chaining, by the way, which means you're putting a piece of wire out and you've got a light every so many feet or in front of the door or whatever you're lighting up, all in a row. So if you follow this little voltage drop calculator, you'll be able to see, and you'll be able to change your input numbers and come up with the amount of electricity you need per fixture. And I will tell you guys, regardless of what the manufacturer says, if it's a 12 volt system, your goal is to deliver 12 volts to the fixture or the lamp. And so in summary, think of electricity as water. You need to know the calculations to get your system correct, and we have included that calculator on this video. If you have additional questions, feel free to call me, Glenn, Brian, or Eric here at Link Outdoor Lighting Distributors. Thanks for your time.